Hi everybody, this is Miss Schultz, and I am doing our drawing for a $10 gift card for English 10, quarter 3. So what you see now on the screen is a list of everybody who has earned either one or more entries into this drawing, and then what I'll be doing is entering these names into a random name picker, and from there you will see our winner. So I am going to switch screens, and you will in a short amount of time here, you will see our wheel of names, and at this point this is empty because I haven't actually entered the names, but I'll be entering them on the right hand side. So Tatum has 2 entries. Hallie has 2 entries. Oops. It's kind of interesting to see the wheel get more populated with names as we go ahead. So Esmahan has 1. Han has 1. Quentin has 2. Mallory has 1. Kayla has 1. Dakota has 2. Stephen has 1. And Jerlyn has 1. Alright, so you can see all the names are entered, and then we're going to click it to spin. And our winner is Dakota. Congratulations, Dakota. So I will be emailing you and asking you what store you would like a gift card to, and there'll be another chance to win a $10 gift card for our quarter 4 challenge, which will begin after we return from break on the 20th of April. Thanks, everybody.